In this video, I want to introduce you to my creation, SCRCPY GUI 2.0. Technically, now it's 2.1 because 2.0 was kind of failure because a lot of the things didn't work. So I had to do a little bit more and had to release the 2.1. But just for simplicity, let's just call it SCRCPY GUI 2.0. Okay, version 2 is here. If you don't know, I created this app almost like 2 weeks ago. This was the first release. At that time, it was okay. Like you can connect your phone to your PC and then mirror. That's it. Okay, there was no wireless connection. I introduced the wireless connection in 2.0, but it didn't work. So again, the 2.1 is here. And guess what? Everything is working. And I'm just going to say it. It's probably the best app to mirror your phone to your PC. Okay, it's good. I know I made it. Now I'm patting my own bag that it's good, but it's actually good. So in 2.0, I have changed the color scheme a little bit. The main color is now purple, okay? Because a lot of the people were saying that it doesn't look good. So now hopefully it looks good. And I have added many new features, okay? First of all, the wireless. Yes, you can connect your phone to your PC and mirror your phone to your PC using Wi-Fi wirelessly, okay? And it can also auto connect when you run this app to last known IP address. If it fails, it will say fail. And it also remembers the history up to 5 IP addresses. And it also supports the new pairing method when you do wireless debugging on Android 11 and above. And USB is still simple. You can just connect your phone to your PC and you'll be good to go. And I also added the kill ADB option. With this, you can kill any ADB running in the background if something is stuck or something. Okay. Now with this new update, it remembers everything, all the settings that you change. Let's say you changed the resolution to 1080p or 720p, it will remember that next time you launch it. Same goes for the FPS and other settings. Now, I need to fix this, the mirroring options. This is actually a desktop mode. So basically, you can use your phone as a PC on your PC. And you can use actually, let me connect my phone using wireless connection so I can show you guys. Every time you enable and disable the wireless debugging, it changes the port. So that's something that I can't fix. It's a security feature. So I'm going to connect and just give it a second. No, my IP address is also changed. Okay, it's 66 now. Now I'm going to connect. Yeah, now you can see it's connected. So if you want to connect your phone to your PC wirelessly, you may have to enter the IP address and port every single time because it changes. But if you don't turn off the wireless debugging, it keeps everything as it is. So it can also reconnect automatically when you launch the SCRCPY GUI. Okay. And at the top, you can see an active device selection and you can select your device here. Now let me launch the desktop mode here. And yeah, there it is, the desktop mode. And here is my phone. Someone was actually asking me in my last video, can you open the apps on PC but not on phone? So yeah, you can using the desktop mode. So whatever you open here, let's say I'm going to open the Google Play Store there. You can see my phone doesn't have the Google Play Store opened. So it again acts like a secondary display. And here you can change the resolution. And someone actually suggested me to add these options. Thank you so much for that. And you can also change the DPI. Okay, someone also asked me to add this option, always on top. And yeah, here it is. Okay, and yeah, that's it. It's now fully functional GUI for SCRCPY. Everything is here that you need. There are 2 things missing right now. I will fix that as soon as possible. I need to rename this to desktop mode and the drag and drop APK installation option. Okay, those 2 things will be added very soon once I'm done making this video. Okay, you can check out my GitHub page for that. Let's kill the ADB connection. And now let's connect our phone to our PC using the USB. Now I'm going to click on refresh. And here you can see now we are connected via USB, just like that. Okay, the desktop mode is enabled, so I can disable that and do the normal screen mirroring, just like that. Now let me show you guys the tutorial how to download this and set this up. Okay, so this is the official GitHub page. And yes, I made this app, so it's free and open source stuff. All the source code is here. So once you're here, you can go to releases, and here you can read the new changes and all that. And just scroll down until you see assets and download this. Okay, there is a exe and there is unpacked, the portable version. I recommend you guys to go with the portable version. It's faster. But if you want to go with the exe, you can go with it. When you launch a exe version, it will create a temporary folder in Windows and then launch it and all that. So just use the zip one. It's portable, so just click on it and it will start downloading. Once downloaded, go to the downloads folder and unzip it. After that, open the unzipped folder, win unpacked, and run this SCRCPY GUI exe. Okay, just simply double click to run it. Now you'll notice here one thing: binary status SCRCPY not found. So you have to get the SCRCPY and set the location here. So there is an option, get SCRCPY. Just click on it and it will open the SCRCPY official GitHub page. And from here, download the SCRCPY. And then again, go to your download folder, unzip it, and then on the SCRCPY GUI, click on the select folder option, and then go to downloads folder and select the SCRCPY that we just downloaded and unzipped. Okay, select that folder and boom, you're ready. And you can see I'm actually already connected to the SCRCPY. I didn't click on connect because it remembers the settings and also tries to auto connect. Once you connect your phone wirelessly, it remembers the IP address and port, and when you launch the SCRCPY, it automatically tries to connect. And also it remembers all the settings and everything if you change any. Okay, everything just works perfectly. Okay, there are no issues, no nothing. Again, as I said, this is probably the best app to mirror your phone to your PC. Again, this thing is actually just a GUI for SCRCPY. If you want to use all the features of SCRCPY, you'll have to use the command prompt. Okay, you'll have to type it in the command prompt. So this makes it easy. Okay, everything is here. You just click on the options and you'll be good to go. And yeah, that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or any suggestions for this app, you can always do the comment and we can have some chit chat in the comment section too. Yeah, and let me know your thoughts. What do you think about this app? I think I have actually added some really cool new features like wireless connection, auto connect, remembers the IP addresses and all that. And the desktop mode has, okay, I think I'm just talking too much. I know you guys are smart. Yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or any suggestions, you can always do the comment. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you on the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye-bye.